Medication pouch packaging is perfect for people on the go, as these multi-dose pouches are easily carried in a pocket or in a purse. Each sealed pouch can be labeled as morning, noon, afternoon, evening, or even bedtime. These pouches are perforated, so they can be easily opened. Our kit makes it easy to quickly fill these medication pouches. The kit comes with an electronic sealer, a filling tray, and a roll of 200 pouches. First, place the 4 supplied AA batteries into the battery compartment of the sealer. Today, we will be filling 8 medications into morning and afternoon doses. This will be for a 1-week supply. There will be 4 medications in the morning pouch and 4 medications in the afternoon pouch. Tear off 7 pouches from the pouch roll. Write morning on the white side of each pouch. Then tear off 7 more pouches and write afternoon on the white side of each pouch. Remove the lid from the filling tray and start with your first morning medication. Place 1 pill into each compartment of the filling tray. Next, your second morning pill. Our third morning medication is an aspirin. And finally, your 4th morning medication. Replace the filling tray lid. Rotate the lid so that the spout is over the first medication compartment. Pick up a morning pouch and near its opening, rub it between your thumb and forefinger and the pouch will open. Flip the filling tray over and pour the medications into the pouch. Place the open end of the pouch into the sealer and press down. Once the light goes out, the pouch is sealed. Rotate the filling tray lid to the next dose of medications and fill and seal the second morning pouch. Continue to fill and seal the rest of your morning pouches. Next, open the filling tray and place your 4 afternoon medication doses into each compartment. Replace the lid, rotate it to the first medication compartment, and start filling and sealing all 7 daily afternoon medication pouches. You now have a 1-week supply of morning and afternoon medication pouches. It's that quick and easy.